Module 5, Lesson 3 problem set. Number 1. Each shape is a whole divided into equal parts. Name the fractional unit and then count and tell how many of those units are shaded. The first one is done for you. We can see that our fractional unit is fourths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2/4 are shaded. Next one, let's count how many equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The fractional unit is eighths. Now name how many are shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Five eighths are shaded. Next one, let's count. Let's count how many equal parts. 1, 2, 3. This is broken into thirds. Now name how many are shaded. Did you say 3/3 are shaded? Do the next one on your own. If you need more time, pause the video. Number 2 says, circle the shapes that are divided into equal parts. Write a sentence telling what equal parts means. Pause the video now to complete number 2 on your own. Number 3 says, each shape is one whole. Estimate to divide each into 4 equal parts. Name the fractional unit below. I'm going to start with the line. And I know if I have 4 equal parts, then I need 3 dots. Pause the video now to complete the rectangle and circle. Number 4 says, each shape is one whole. Divide and shade to show the given fraction. I'm going to show 1/3. I broke my circle into thirds. Now I'll shade one piece. Pause the video to finish the other problems for number 4. Number 5 says, each shape is one whole. Estimate to divide each into equal parts. Do not draw fourths. Divide each whole using a different fractional unit. Write the name of the fractional unit on the line below the shape. Pause the video now to complete this on your own. Number 5 says, Charlotte wants to equally share a candy bar with 4 friends. Draw Charlotte's candy bar. Show how she can divide her candy bar so everybody gets an equal share. What fraction of the candy bar does each person receive? Let's underline our important information. Charlotte wants to equally share a candy bar with 4 friends. We need to draw Charlotte's candy bar. We need to show how she can divide her candy bar equally so everyone gets a share. What fraction of the candy bar does each person receive? Stop the video and finish your problem set now.